Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7th. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad at Vera Foundation College Naushar Feroz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, in last lecture we learned about Microsoft Word, and in today's lecture we are going to learn further features of Microsoft Office Word 2007. So dear students, to open Microsoft Office, you will press Window key from your keyboard and a menu is appeared, and in this menu you will have to find out the Microsoft Word. So where you find Microsoft Word, you will bring cursor on your desired document and press enter key. So your Microsoft Word has been opened here. So dear students, in last lecture we learned about Home tab, Insert tab, and in today's lecture we are also going to learn about Insert tab. So Insert tab enables us to insert table, to insert picture, to insert clip art, shapes, or any chart on our document. But in today's lecture we are going to learn about inserting table in our document. So dear students, to insert the table you will go to the tables. When you will click on the table, a menu is appeared here and you will have to click on the insert table. But dear students, this menu displays the different ways that are used to insert the table on our document. Number one is Insert tab. Insert tab, here you see that columns and rows are present here. As you click on box number 1, it means it displays 1 into 1. 1 into 1, it means 1 row, 1 column. 2 into 1, इसका मतलब ये है 2 कॉलम और रो 1. Okay dear students, when you will select all these box in row number 1, it means you see that 10 into 1. 10 into 1, it means in this line there will be 10 columns and row 1. Means there will be 1 row and in 1 row columns will be 10. Okay dear students, and if you select second 1 row, it means 10 into 2. 10 into 2 means 2 rows and 10 columns. So dear students, there are different ways to insert the table, but insert table way enables us to insert our table very easily. So we will click on the Insert tab. So when we will click on the Insert tab, here a menu is appeared. This menu tells us about the formation, about the setting of the table. On number 1 there is table size. This option enables us to set the size of the table. On number 2 of this menu there is the number of columns. This option tells us about using or inserting the number of the columns, and this menu tells us that how much number of columns do you want to insert in your table. Second one is number of rows. This option tells us about the number of rows, that how much number of rows do you want to insert in your table. Okay dear students, so you will have to pay the focus on these two options, number of columns and number of rows. So dear students, number of columns and number of rows will be identified when we will be aware about the columns and rows in a table. So dear students, I have already told you that columns are the lines that are laid from top to bottom or in vertical form. These lines are known as the columns, and rows are the horizontal lines that lie from left to right side of our computer. So dear students, if you want to insert 8 columns and 8 rows. Okay dear students, it means the table that we are going to insert here, it will consist on 7 columns and 8 rows. Okay dear students, you saw that your table has been inserted on Microsoft Word. So dear students, here you see that these are the columns. Columns means the line that is from top to bottom or in vertical form. These are known as the columns. This one is column number 1. Okay dear students, this one is column 2. This one is column 3. This one is column 4. So hence the lines that are in the form of vertical representation are known as columns, and the lines that are in the form of horizontal lines are known as rows. Okay dear students, this one is row. This one is row. Row means the line from left to right are known as rows. Okay dear students. So dear students, you learnt about inserting table, and I have inserted a table on Microsoft Word. Your homework is that you will have to see this table and count the number of columns and number of rows, and you will put the suitable data in this table and send me on our WhatsApp group. Your lecture is ended here, and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7.